5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Action. What's up, goodies? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Juliana. You could be watching this on my cooking channel, or you might be watching this from my home decor channel. However, if it is your first time here and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that way you will always be reminded whenever I upload brand new contents, alright? And for all our returning goodies, and I don't know, say on a girl love on to the max. Now, as you can see from the title, this is a Q&A, right? I'm just going to give you a little bit of something about myself. Plus, I have some new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. So I'm just going to go ahead and just get into the Q&A, right? So, look at it tonight. My business.
What do you like to do besides cooking and home decor?
Okay. What do I like to do besides cooking and home decor? I love traveling. Alright? I'm in love for travel. I love to just get in the car and just open up the window and just drive. I don't know spot me I go sometime, but I just want to just drive. I love a free spirit. Otherwise from that I like to be home chilling, just relaxing, enjoying quiet times because I love to hold a medi at home. So if I'm not out going someplace, I just want to be home relaxing, right? Watching a movie, something like that. Yeah.
If you could change one thing about yourself, what would that be?
One thing that I change about myself, I don't think I change nothing about myself, but just for camera's sake. One thing I would change about myself is I give up on people easily. I think I give up on people easily, but I have good reasons for that. My patience is at a 0, but I think I'm working on that, and this has gotten better over the years. But I have no patience. I have 0 tolerance to bullshit. As soon as I see bullshit, I'm out. I don't like to ask questions sometimes because I don't like confrontation, but I'm just ready to bounce. So, yeah, I think that's the only thing I like about myself. I work on it, though.
What means the most to you in life and why?
What means the most to me in life? I think health. My health is really critical because for who that don't know, I do have a heart condition, among other things that I deal with on a daily basis. If my health is okay, then I feel everything else is okay. With health comes everything, because if you don't have health, you ain't got nothing. So health is very important for me, and that is why.
If you could make one wish come true, what would that be?
If I could make one wish come true, what would that be? I would say love, for everybody to just love each other. Because I think love conquers everything. You don't have to love people right beside you, but you could also love people from way over there. So, but I think love is important, critical. Yeah, love, love is the most important thing in the world right now. Nobody don't know what love mean no more. Everybody are killing and fighting and love. All the family they must stab up each other. Love gone crazy now. Yeah, love.
What are you afraid of and why?
What am I afraid of? I must confess, I used to be afraid of dying when I was younger, because when I was growing up, I spent a lot of time in the hospital, and all of my friends them would just come to the hospital and just die, and it used to scare the shit out of me. So I used to be afraid of dying, but my past that, it is what it is, just live a good life. But what I think I'm most afraid of right now in my growing stage is trusting people. I have a difficult time trusting anyone. And I think that also has to do when I was younger too, because I was sexually molested, assaulted when I was a child. I have a story time on that already, but yeah, I am a victim of sexual assault, and I have a hard time trusting people, even if I know you a long time. I have a hard time trusting because that happened to me with someone that was close to the family, and on top of that, I was betrayed by my best friend. My best friend betrayed me big time. She turned her back against me when I needed her the most. She told me, "So my money done, friendship done." She said, "Your money done, friendship done." So ever since then, I haven't allowed myself, open myself 100% to let um anyone in friendships. I'm just afraid to trust anybody. Period. And why I think it's the best thing, best person to trust is God. Him now leave you or forsake you. And you can tell him all your business and it's not nobody now gonna know because him now gonna talk. God. God me trust.
Where would you live besides America?
Where would I live besides America? Well, some of you already know where I love. I love Australia. Australia is cold, but I love Australia. I would definitely live in Australia. I love Canada too. Canada is way too cold for me, so I'm now go over there because I don't like the cold weather. Now, if it was in the US, I not live back in Jamaica either. But if I was to choose a US place to live in, I think I'd probably choose Florida. Simply because it's always hot. I don't like the snake them, I don't like the crocodile them, and the alligator and them all for something there. But we could have tried to deal with it because of the warm weather. Because them always hot. I think 10 months out of the year, them always hot. So Florida, would have probably live. I'd have to go stay in America. But otherwise, from that to Australia, I'm going to end up eventually. You never have to go by myself.
What do you hate about vegan food?
What do I hate about vegan food? I only eat vegan food when other people cook it for me. I have to keep my Q&A 100%, you know. And everybody will say them can't cook, can't cook. You know what I mean? I said, vegan food is one of those kind of a recipe that you have to be very, very careful how you're cooking it because remember, it is not meat. So you have to put the seasonings in, and if you don't cook right, you can't eat it. It has no flavor, no taste, no nothing. So when I'm cooking my vegan food, it is filled with nothing but deliciously blessed flavors, okay? So I hate vegan food if I have to buy vegan food elsewhere, but I love vegan food when I cook it myself. So, yeah. Call me conceited. Me not care.
How do you feel about your YouTube comments?
How do I feel about my YouTube comments? How do I really feel about my YouTube comments? I don't feel no way. At this point, back in the days when I first started my YouTube channel, we were talking about 7 years ago, I think. Comments used to bother me one time. Not anymore. To be a YouTuber influencer, you have to have thick skin. If you don't have thick skin, it ain't gonna work. When I see negative comments, I don't give a shit. I don't care. You either block or delete, or just pretend like I didn't see it. Because guess what? Them not paying my bills. Period.
Have you ever lied your way out of a situation?
I've never lied my way. Have you ever lied your way out of a situation? Yes. I must confess that your girl has done that several times. Can't count on them 10 finger, yeah, because it's been too many. But I don't lie my way out of situations to people who I care about. But I do lie my way out of certain situations where people get on my nerves. Yeah, I may feel like I have to lie my way out of that, but we lie my way out of that. But I'm not going to lie my way out of situations with husband and them people. I know other people maybe, but yeah. Yeah, I've done it. Everybody do it.
I know you have trust issues. When did it start, and will you ever trust anyone 100%?
Okay. That's the last one? Okay. Alright, this is the last one. I do have trust issues. I've had trust issues ever since I was growing up, like I said before. Trusting people that I care about, people who I thought was a father figure. So yeah, I had trust issue. And why? Me just have trust issue because it now gonna change. Me not think at this stage of my life, me gonna ever 100% can say me trust everybody because people disguise really really well. You know what I say? People disguise really really well, y'all. Really really well. And I just feel like right now in my life, I don't have no patience. My patience when I work pan for a couple of years now, I don't want to mess up the patience there. To try to let my guards down, to let people in my circle again, and then them hurt me and abuse me mentally and emotionally. So the only person that I trust, the only person that I trust 100% is God, because me can chat people with him, me can tell him my business, me can cry, me can tell him how my day was, if it was good, bad, or indifference. Me can complain, me can murmur, me can cry upon him shoulders, me can be sad, me can have split personality, me can be me with him, right? So I'm only trusting the Father 100%. I feel like I'm safe right now, so I'm safe. And everything eat good for talk. Mama always say, and everything good, eat good for talk. And so I feel like I can be open with God and tell him everything. I'm not have to worry. So that's why. So yes, guys. That is a wrap. Alright? Wrap. Make sure say you subscribe to the channel. Both my channels. How to cook, Life with Juliana. Subscribe to them. Two things there, because I'm going to post this on both channels. Because I'm going to repeat myself twice. Because I have the patience feet. I'm still a work in progress, right? So go ahead and just give the videos a thumbs up and share it with all your friends if you feel so, alright? Keep those comments coming. I see the love and I'm embracing all that good love, alright? And with that said, know that I love you guys so much. Thank you for all your love and support. And I will see you in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye.